How to hide your inventory in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can hide your Roblox inventory on your mobile device. So this will prevent your friends or anyone from seeing what items you own. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to open the latest version of Roblox application on your mobile device. Now look for the More option, which is usually the three dots in the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on it, scroll down and select Settings that you will find below the blog option. And once you're here, tap on Privacy and Content Maturity. Now from this page, you need to scroll past the camera and the preference settings under Other Settings. Now tap on Trading and Inventory that you will find below the Visibility and Private Service. And here you will see the option of Inventory Visibility. Simply go ahead and tap on No One and you'll be done. This way you can easily choose who you want to be able to see your inventory. And that's it. No one will be able to see your Roblox inventory. So I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.